it was a really great feeling कि all of a sudden you are, representing your country and getting a gold for your country. It was, a car collision, severe car collision, and and my both the legs were fractured. And when I used to see the videos of my competitors, so I was, really क्या बोलना चाहिए, मेरा बीपी लो हो जाता था कि नहीं यार मैं कैसे करूंगी, नहीं कर सकती.
From a homemaker and a mother of two to an accomplished sports person, she started her journey after age 40 and went on to win 5 gold medals at Commonwealth Powerlifting Championship in South Africa, 4 gold medals at Asian Powerlifting Championship, and she's also a silver medal holder at Masters World Cup and San Diego Open in USA. The story of Mrs. Archana Jain is going to be a powerhouse full of inspiration and positivity. So tag along and remember to head to the comment section for the entire video's time-wise split so you can directly jump on to the part that interests you. So without further ado, let's get going.
Hello, ma'am. It's a real honor to have you here today. So thank you so much. And I have to say, thank you for making our country proud multiple times at multiple stages. That too being a mother of two. So hats off to you for that. I'm seriously in admiration of what you did. Okay, so over to you, ma'am. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling great, and thanks for giving me this platform. It's really wonderful being talking to you. So
Thank you. It's the privilege is all mine. So मैम बेसिकली आपको बहुत सारे लोग एज अ चैम्पियन एज एन अचीवर तो जानते ही होंगे जो कि आप डेफिनेटली हैं बट आई वांट टू स्टार्ट बाय आस्किंग कि हु इज अर्चना मैम एज एन इंडिविजुअल.
yeah, Archana ma'am is, yeah, of course, she's a mother of two beautiful kids. My son has just passed out 12th, and my daughter is in 10th now. They are very close to me. I mean, they are my support system. And of course, for all my students there out, like those who believe in me, it's a real caption of a mother, being a mother, treating so many people with their health, with their fitness, and changing their lifestyle. So this is all Archana ma'am is all about. I love my passion, I love my job, I love my kids, I love my family. They all go hand in hand.
That's
Yes.
super amazing. We want to know a lot about that कि कैसे आपने ये सब शुरू किया after having kids and after we know that you were above 40 when you won championships. So ma'am हम वहाँ जर्नी पे आए उसके पहले I want to ask कि आपने जब ये डिसाइड किया कि you have to go and fight for medals उसके पहले आपकी लाइफ कैसी थी how was it before that particular decision और फिर वो डिसीजन पे आप कैसे आए.
See, before getting into this profession, being a professional athlete, I was into my like daily routines kind, normal जो homemakers होते हैं, just looking after the kids, looking after the house, all the friends, meeting friends, chilling out with them, and the most favorite part is shopping, going for shopping all the time. So that was the only part of my life before being a professional. But जैसे जैसे मैं इस प्रोफेशन में आई वैसे वैसे सब कुछ छूट गया. My friends, my shopping, all.
तो मैम वो क्या मोमेंट था जब आपने डिसाइड किया कि you're gonna go for lifting, power lifting,
See,
weightlifting?
I've been into fitness since many years. It's been like 14 or 15 years from now. So
Okay.
I've been always conscious about my body, to keep a healthy body, to keep a healthy mind, and all. So I used to go to gym like from like so many years, and I was very consistent in it. And it was a part of my routine, of course. So I never left that, and it was kind of a passion for me also. And day by day my strength start increasing, because if you are practicing something daily, you
Right.
are like more toned up and your strength also increases. So one day, my there's like my mentor who saw me in the gym, and he just asked me ki, you have such a good strength, why don't you participate in all the championships going around for weightlifting and all. So I was like,
Okay.
no, I'm just here for my fitness, I'm not here for any championship, or I'm not targeting anything. I'm okay with it. But they motivated me so much, they pushed me so much up to a year. Matlab, they kept on saying ki, Arshna, now this competition is coming, you have to go, you have to go. I was like, हाँ मैं जाऊंगी, but I never went. मैंने कहा नहीं, मेरे को नहीं जाना. And one day finally, like the mentor, he was the owner of the gym only, so he sent two trainers with me कि नहीं, इनको लेके जाओ, मैम को लेके जाओ, there's a Delhi
Okay.
championship coming, so you have to participate. मैंने कहा okay then. मजे मजे में मैं चली गई, and there I did very well and I got gold. So I was really surprised. मैंने कहा wow, मैंने कहा ऐसा भी होता है. So that time I was really motivated. So I decided to be in this line. Like, why not? If you are into this, into fitness, then go. You have to achieve something else.
Right.
Being in this line for so many years, and so everyone appreciated me a lot and everyone motivated me a lot. Yes, you have it in you and you can do it. So that way I started. That was my first day. So
ओके. सो मैम, जैसे आपका लाइफस्टाइल पहले बिल्कुल अलग था एंड देन यू स्टार्टेड गोइंग फॉर चैंपियनशिप्स, तो आपके माइंडसेट कैसा था? लाइक व्हाट वाज इन योर माइंड? कि कुछ प्रेशर था कि जीतना है, एंड कुछ कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो बिल्कुल अलग लाइफस्टाइल में हमारे स्ट्रगल्स भी बन जाते हैं और डिफरेंट जर्नी होती है, तो वो स्ट्रगल्स और आपके माइंडसेट किस तरह से थे उस टाइम?
माइंडसेट मेरा, एज आई टोल्ड यू, मैं मतलब आई जस्ट वेंट फॉर फन कि हाँ इतना मेरे को फोर्स किया गया है, तो इट वाज नॉट अ सीरियस काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग फॉर मी कि हाँ मुझे जाना ही जाना है, मुझे करना है, ये अचीव करना है. उस टाइम बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोचती थी मैं. आई वॉज फ्री. आई वॉन्ट टू लीड अ फ्री फ्लोइंग लाइफ. आई टोल्ड यू, एज लाइक शॉपिंग एंड फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, बस दैट वॉज. So that time I was not at all serious. So after winning Delhi championship, so then they showed me a way that after a year or in a half year, 1.5 year, there's a Commonwealth Games coming, Commonwealth powerlifting championship coming in South Africa. So you have to prepare for it. So, my eyes sparkled and go, wow, this is also something really very nice. And
Right.
yes, of course, I should do it because, every day I was going to the gym for every 2 hours and I was practicing. So, कुछ भी extra नहीं करना था. मेरे पास जो था मुझे वही use करना था. So I said, okay. So then I've been trained under, very good coaches, and I reached to that level ki I could participate, and I cleared trials also. Yes, trials for the Commonwealth, because they are the basic hindrance, because all the participants from all over the India, they come and compete with you, and you have to prove it that you are the one who is going further for the competition. Commonwealth. So it went very well, and finally I was there. Like, I was selected as a finalist, and I represented my country. So it was a very very proud moment for me. Matlab, never thought about it, and life really turned upside down. It was really not planned that way. Never thought about it. My passion will become my profession or my career in this way.
राइट.
Yes.
राइट. सो मैम, जिस मोमेंट पे जैसे आपने बोला कि आपने ऐसा कुछ सोचा नहीं था और प्लान नहीं किया था, तो जिस मोमेंट आप वहाँ थे एंड यू वन अ गोल्ड मेडल, सो हाउ यू फीलिंग? लाइक कैसा लग रहा था? उसके बाद लाइफ में क्या सोचेस आए?
लग बहुत अच्छा रहा था, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ टोटल समथिंग. बिकॉज स्कूल में भी मैं कभी टॉपर नहीं रही, कभी स्टेज पे भी नहीं गई. So it was a really great feeling कि all of a sudden you are representing your country and getting a gold for your country. So that was a great feeling. And when I was holding the flag, when I got bold, and I was holding the flag in my hand, and then the national anthem played. And it was a really great feeling. There were, I think, 26 countries participated, and everyone stood up, because of course you have to pay gratitude to all the national anthem. So it was a very great feeling. I'm feeling so proud of myself, and of course gratitude.
I'm getting goosebumps when you're telling this.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
But Arif was never stood as a topper also. Never gone to the stage also. And now all of a sudden you are representing your country, and it was a very great moment. Like
That is like,
something. Yes, you
even
can't
hearing it, it feels
describe.
surreal. Exactly. Right. So मैम उसके बाद क्या चीजें रही and कैसे आपकी life change हुई and what were the switches and what were the things you experienced after winning for the country?
See, after winning for the country, when I came back, I got so many felicitations. I got, so much, known by the people, and all over the newspapers and all. I was really overwhelmed. As I told you, I never dreamt of it कि यार ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है मेरे साथ. So of
Right.
course, now my vision was opened, and I was targeting more कि अभी next जो भी आएगा, I am going to participate in it. And again, I prepared for it. I was into the same field, and side by side, I started my classes also. I took aerobics as my profession. Cardio is something I'm really passionate about. So I started my classes also. So it was going hand in hand with all my practices, the daily practices, and with my classes. So that way my life changed completely.
That is amazing. That's so good to hear. So, ma'am, after your last championship, so basically आप USA में थे, right? So there was an event that happened, something unfortunate. Would you like to talk about it? Like things were going well and
Yeah, that was the most unfortunate part. I don't know how it happened, and yeah, we went for actually, my the the basic aim was to win a world championship. The world championship is the biggest thing, the greatest thing in this field.
okay.
तो अगर आप world champion हो गए तो nothing like it. So
Okay.
yes, again this championship propped up, and we prepared for it. I really worked hard for it. I had to lose some weight also to be in that weight category. So all things I did, and ultimately we went there, and I won also. I got silver over there.
Okay.
So it was a really proud moment, because winning silver in world championship is really something again. So I don't know how this happened. Like, I met with an accident after my championship, after 2 days of my championship, and then it was a car collision, severe car collision, and my both the legs were fractured. So uh, and I would appreciate all the the medical facilities in US. They took no time to reach me to the hospital to give me treatment and all. So I was treated there only, and now yes, of course I'm recovering, but I've started with my practices, like not weightlifting or something else, but I've started with my classes and all, which are my passion. So of course they are boosting me again, and let's see, I'll be back again with a bounce.
I just hope so. I just hope like it's all you deserve so much more. So मैम जैसे ऐसा होता है ना कि हमारे साथ लाइफ में कुछ होता है and then something just takes a back seat. तो आपको स्ट्रेंथ कहाँ से मिला कि you met with the accident or to keep going आप अपनी क्लासेस शुरू कर चुके हो and you need a lot of leg work in every kind of exercise और कुछ भी आप कर रहे हो तो how like what keeps you moving आपको motivation कैसे मिलता है and how you keep pushing yourself.
See, as I told you, this is my life. Like, this is my passion. So I can't live without it. Because, you have to raise yourself up, because no one else is going to walk into your shoes, right? कोई आपकी सिचुएशन नहीं समझ पाएगा, बिकॉज यू नो पीपल यूज टू से कि अब तो तुमने इतना अचीव कर लिया, तुमने कॉमनवेल्थ भी विन कर लिया, तुमने एशिया भी विन कर लिया, एंड वर्ल्ड इज really a different thing. World championship,
Right.
you have got, you have completed your job now, maybe this was the god's will. And I used to get hurt by these words, man, kaise kaise ho sakta hai, how can be this ending point to my career? So no, of course, I never gave up. Like, and even the doctors in US used to motivate me so much. Ki you are going to be fine soon, and you know within 8 weeks you will be back to normal. They really motivated me. So I never lost that hope कि नहीं मैं कभी कुछ कर नहीं पाऊंगी या ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And again I bounced back within a I think a month or two. I was back to my classes. I went to my club where I used to take my classes, and they were really surprised and happy to see me, all my students. So you know, blessings from all of them works for you a lot, because they believe so much in me. Ki ma'am is so strong. So of course, and never looking back. This is my life's principle, and never giving up.
That is so amazing. Like, आप कितने लोगों के लिए inspiration हो, like women's people, you know, who think कि age एक limit हो जाती है, and you actually started and proved yourself after a certain age. And सबसे बड़ी बात, tragic moments हमको बोलते हैं कि यार ये क्यों हो गया, क्या हो गया, but your spirit
वो
just
तो नहीं,
inspires.
बिल्कुल वो तो फर्स्ट डे से भी नहीं था मुझे कि क्यों हो गया और क्या हो गया. मतलब मुझे ये था कि हाँ ठीक है, हो गया तो ये तो ठीक होना ही है, मतलब नथिंग, नॉट अ बिग डील. तो मैं वो नेगेटिव पॉइंट सोचती ही नहीं थी कभी. आई नेवर यूज्ड टू टेक लुक एट द नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ ऑफ माय एक्सीडेंट. I always used to think positive. Yeah, I have to come out, because होता है कि जो भी एथलीट होता है उसको इंजरी होती है, तो ठीक है, ये मेरे साथ कुछ ज़्यादा बड़ी हो गई, बट इट्स ओके. And the spirit of sportsmanship is this only: you don't have to give it up, and in any situation. So yes,
That's so amazing.
still with it, and yes, let's see. I'm going to participate. Like, let's see if all things goes well. So
All our wishes are with you, like you. We look forward to seeing you holding the flag again. So, ma'am, सारे experiences ने और आपकी journey ने, how has everything changed you as a person? So, what changes do you see in yourself?
see, now I've become more disciplined, more strong, and I know, because hard work is the key to everything. So I know कि hard work तो करना पड़ेगा, और what to say, because I was kind of a freaky person of, and foodie, and going for shopping and all, and have maintaining a large friend circle. But now everything has changed a lot. So I focus
Right.
on my diet also. कि नहीं, weight भी, you should have balanced weight to keep your body fit and active. That way also, without not going for the competition, but you should have a fit body to keep yourself active, to take care of your family. And yes, my mindset has changed, become more strong than ever before. Like, I can think wisely now, can take my decisions. Yes, yeah, I do feel good.
Right, right. So, ma'am, ऐसा होता है ना कि sometimes we become an inspiration for many people. और जब हम वो चीज़ देखते हैं, या we touch a life or we change lives, and I'm sure आप classes लेते हैं, आप खुद एक inspiration set करते हैं, and people might be really really inspired by you. So इन सब चीज़ों को देखते हुए, like, what inspires you while giving people training and making a change in people's life? Like, what inspires you to keep doing this?
See, as I told you, I'm in my mid 40s. So yes, I started my classes, and when I started in my classes, everyone used to think that I'm a college girl. So
You still seem like that.
so there were many women in my class who used to think कि इसमें इतनी energy है just because she is very young, or
Hmm.
we can't do it because हमारी तो इतनी एज हो गई है. Maybe they are not 40 also, 38, 37, 38 के होंगे, तो they used to think नहीं नहीं अभी तो हम कर ही नहीं सकते because after 35 it's a myth, of course it's a myth कि नहीं.
Hmm.
And she's a young girl, so she has lots of energy. So always they used to. So one day I told them, "Ki see, I am 40 plus, and I
Hmm.
started career after 40 plus only." And they were really, really, really shocked. So they got so inspired by me. और वो लोग मुझे आज भी कहते हैं कि बोले जो change हमारे में आया है, it's just all because of you. Because जब भी हम आपको देखते थे तो हमें लगता था जब आप कर सकते हो तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते.
Right.
So yes, they were really, really inspired by me, and some of them went to compete also. Some got into fashion, some got into Mrs. India contest, and some got into weightlifting also. And I always used to suggest them कि please do something for yourself. At least you should have.
Hmm.
मतलब भगवान ने सबको कोई ना कोई टैलेंट दिया है, ऑफ कोर्स है. यू हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट,
Right.
एंड इफ यू आर नॉट फाइंडिंग इट आउट एंड यू आर spending your life like that, the spending your same year and same year for 75 years and calling it a life, then that's not the justice you are doing to God, because he has given something to you. You should make use of your talent. So that's it. So they are really motivated, मतलब, and this keeps me inspiring as well, because जब आपकी बात सुनते हैं लोग and inspire होते हैं, तो of course मुझे भी बहुत inspiration मिलता है कि at least yeah, I'm inspiring someone and it bounces back to me also to do to do something more good, to teach them, like it's like that. So I'm also really inspired by my students, because जो उन्होंने मुझसे सीखा मुझे भी उनसे सीखने को मिल रहा है, like.
Right. Exactly. तो मैम लाइक आप इंस्पिरेशन तो हैं ही काफ़ी लोगों के लिए, एंड वी नाउ ऑल्सो नो दैट आप चैम्पियनशिप के लिए भी गए थे, आप क्लासेस भी लेते हैं. तो एक जनरल क्वेश्चन होता है कि यू हैव किड्स, यू हैव अ फैमिली, देन यू आर डूइंग योर ओन थिंग एज वेल, और आप लोगों को भी सिखा रहे हैं. सो हाउ डू यू मैनेज ऑल ऑफ दैट? लाइक हाउ डू यू मैनेज योर टाइम, एंड हाउ इज द सपोर्ट अराउंड यू, और हाउ डज इट गो फॉर यू?
Yeah, it's very easy because there are 24 hours in a day. And not making use of it, then you are giving surely you are giving excuses to yourself कि नहीं यार अभी तो टाइम नहीं कर लेते हैं. So you have to look to your priority कि क्या करना है हमें. Like of course family is there now, kids are grown up, so I don't have so much of tension, like ठीक है वो अपना manage कर लेते हैं. And of course अभी तो lockdown हो गया, तो we can't go anywhere. Otherwise before lockdown and before meeting with an accident, I used to keep myself so busy. I used to take classes, 4 classes in a day, and yes, and almost 3 to 4 hours training for my weightlifting every day.
That's amazing.
And yes, of course, looking after the house, cooking and all. So yes, you have to plan it. If you can't plan your day, so how are you going to plan your life? If you don't have a plan for your day कि मुझे ये करना है, तो then it's useless. How will you plan for your life? So and and saying this thing कि नहीं अभी time नहीं है, अभी ये है, अभी वो है, so it's all excuses. So you have to take out time for yourself. You should know how to manage things. So you have to be in discipline. That's what I told you. I've learned a lot of discipline in my life. मैं भी पहले ऐसी थी कि हाँ I was lazy around कि ठीक है अभी ये कर लिया वो कर लिया. But now I'm quite, because मुझे पता है अगर मैं कहीं पीछे रह जाऊंगी तो अगेन फिर सब कुछ छूटता चला जाएगा. Got it? Because this is my passion. I'm working for it. So, and of course, my all the students I have learned a lot from it. They are also the same. उन्होंने भी वही lifestyle follow करना चालू कर दिया. I'm really so happy for them. मतलब they are my pillars, actually, my second family.
Okay. So ma'am, how important do you think support is जब आप कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं? So you had support from your family, from people around you. तो आपको क्या लगता है कितना important होता है ये support when you're trying to achieve something or do anything?
Yes, support is equally important. Of course, support होना चाहिए और आपको और ज़्यादा inspiration मिलती है. I mean, inspiration भी नहीं, you get more energetic. Like आप में और energy आती है कि yes, I can do it. My father-in-law, he has supported me so much. मतलब he was there for me every time. He always appreciated me. He always motivated me. And he always used to say this thing कि कोई बात नहीं, अगर आपने अगर आप win भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो it's all okay. At least you are there on that level that you are participating, you are competing with all your competitors from all over the world. But even in some cases, if you don't get support, because I've heard a lot about other people कि family support नहीं करती मैम, कि हम क्या कैसे करें. तो it's okay. पता है वो आज सपोर्ट नहीं करेगी, कल सपोर्ट नहीं करेगी, परसों सपोर्ट नहीं करेगी, बट वन डे when you show your results to them कि जब आप इतना अच्छा करने लग जाओगे तो obviously they will come back to you. ऐसा नहीं है कि they won't support you. इनिशियली होता है कि थोड़ा सा आप पे बोला जाए कि नहीं नहीं ये तो तुम्हारा काम है ही नहीं, you can't do this. But in that condition, I would like to say कि yes, you have to keep doing it if it's your passion, if it gives you happiness, if it relieves your stress, then you have to keep doing it. And ultimately, one day, even your peers, your family will come to know कि yes, this is the support system, and this is the thing which she is growing. She is growing. This is the thing she's coming out of it. Like she's blooming. So they will support definitely. But yeah,
That is
exceptions are always there. In some families, like Indian families, they still don't have that mindset कि बाहर जाने देना है या क्या है. But what I believe is धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे उनको आपके results दिखते जाएंगे ना तो they will support you. Yes, my family has supported me a lot from day one only, no doubt about it. My kids, my husband, my in-laws, everyone, my own family. So
that's so good to hear, and that's right. Like अगर आप खुद पे काम करोगे तो फिर people will start coming towards you. तो मैम from all the experiences you've had, अगर आपको society में या community में कुछ एक change करना हो, like something you notice and observe that maybe this can be changed to be a better way, तो आप वो एक चीज क्या change करना चाहोगे?
better way. Yes, of course. मैं sports पे हूँ तो I would like everyone to get into sports only because it's it gives you immense happiness and it opens many doors for you. It gives you exposure. और ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप academics में ही जाओ और कुछ अच्छा करो. You have to मतलब you could go into sports as well as like because India में for females they are not allowed to go into sports like after marriage, so you have to give up everything. So yes, of course I want to change it. I want to change people's mindset ki yes, even female is a individual and let her do what she want to do. uh, so that conservative thinking, I don't want it to continue because now all men and women are same, so let women do what they want to do and rise and shine, and everyone can do it. Of course, it's not only me or you doing a good job, but yes, everyone can do it. If you think you can do it.
Right. That's so true. That's so very true. So anything जो आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है, and you know, share, and anything you want to put out in the open, like anything at all.
Yeah, I would like to tell you कि see when I used to when I told you ना I used to train myself for 4 hours every day. But
Hmm.
जो मेरे competitors होते थे, someone from US, Canada and all, so they were really strong. And when I used to see their videos on Instagram and Facebook, तो initially I was telling you कि मैं उनको उनकी लिप्स देख के डर जाती थी कि माय गॉड शी इज लिफ्टिंग सो मच, तो आई तो कांट स्टैंड एनीवेयर and even my peers and my like people around me, they never believe me कि आप इतना भी लिफ्ट कर सकते हो because I lift double of my body weight. So yes, double or 2.5 times of my body weight what I gave in my last lift. So no one used to believe me. कि आप and when I used to see the videos of my competitors, तो I was really क्या बोलना चाहिए, मेरा बीपी लो हो जाता था कि नहीं यार मैं कैसे करूँगी, नहीं कर सकती. And my mentor used to tell me कि see one day you are going to in your competition you will represent with 110 squat. Squat is keeping the weights on your shoulders and going down, sitting down and getting up. So he has that much confidence in me. So मुझे लगता था कि इनको मेरे बारे में कुछ पता तो है नहीं, मतलब आई एम सो डेलिकेट. सो वो टाइम आएगा तो इनको अपने आप ही पता चल जाएगा कि नहीं शी इज नॉट एलिजिबल. बिकॉज एक तो वो वीडियोस देख के मैं इतना डर जाती थी कि नहीं यार मैं कैसे करूँगी. एंड देन सेकेंडली my mentor has so much faith in me कि नहीं you can do it and you will do it. And I was like हाँ ठीक है, okay, let him say. टीचर्स का काम होता ही है मोटिवेट करना. So then yes, of course it came true. And yes, I lifted 100 and not only 110, I lifted 115 kgs also.
Wow.
And yes, and and it was really great. I mean, I could not believe myself कि मेरे में इतनी strength है. My weight is like 50 around, and I used to lift like 110, 115, and total was used to be like 237, 275. ऐसे total जाता था मेरा in all the lifts. So it was a great feeling. It was really something.
And yeah, like your example can really tell people कि कभी कभार आपको खुद पे भरोसा नहीं होता, but अगर कोई आप पे बहुत भरोसा दिखाता है तो you actually start believing in yourself.
Yes,
And
of
that
course.
is so amazing to have.
Yes. And the practice is most important. मतलब being in the same thing and practicing it every day will give you something beautiful. I mean, the practice is the most important thing. आप practice कर रहे हो उस चीज की and you're believing yourself. ठीक है, मैं तो बस आंख बंद करके जो मुझे कहा जाता था मैं वो करती रहती थी. We used to expect results कि हाँ मुझे मेरा गोल्ड आ जाएगा या क्या आ जाएगा, but हाँ मुझे जो कहा जा रहा है वो मैं कर रही हूँ. It was like that.
Right.
So, yes.
Stayed on the path. That's brilliant. So ma'am, I'm saying it again, you're such an inspiration. Like not only age group, not only for sports, but such a positive person. And कुछ भी है कुछ भी हो, like मुझे एक बार भी नहीं लगा आपकी बातें से कि कि क्यों क्या कैसे. That's such an amazing quality, and I'm sure कि जो लोग आपसे connected होंगे और जो लोग आपसे connect होना चाहते हैं, they'll be able to gain so much from you. So thank you so much सब कुछ share करने के लिए, and being an inspiration and giving so much inspiration and positivity around you. That's so amazing, and I'm so thankful to you for that. That's
Thank you.
super awesome.
Thanks, Megha. You being wonderful host. I really, appreciate you.
Thank you.
Your
Thank you
vibrant
so
smile
much.
and all. Even you have
A
a
lot.
positive attitude.
I hope I keep maintaining it. So, ma'am, how I usually end this is I'll just say a few sentences and a normal blank. So, whatever comes to your mind, just fill in the blank with that. Okay? A thought, a word, a sentence, anything.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. So, there goes the first one. dash makes you excited for the future?
My passion, of course, me excited for the future because I know I'm never going to give it up. So it keeps me up all the time.
Right. Dash helps you to overcome fear.
Mm, yes, of course, my strength, my belief in me
Hmm.
helps me
Right.
to overcome fear because I've passed so many fears now. I've learned so much from life.
Right.
So
Believe in yourself. Okay. Dash can become a big hurdle in any journey. What, according to you, can become a hurdle in a journey?
big hurdle. See, only your mindset can become your big hurdle. Until and unless you don't want to give it up, nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop you from keep going. So it's only your mindset. It's a big hurdle. If you say yes, then it will work, and your body will work accordingly. If you say no, then you have to stop there and there only. So no one comes in between between your mindset.
Right. It's you. Okay. And the last one is dash defines success for you. So, what is success for you?
Uh, Success for me is inspiring so many people and not only inspiration, they are changing, they have changed their lifestyles and they are leading a healthy life, and they are aware of themselves now. So yes, of self being, self made. So this is my success. Every woman should know that they have some inbuilt talent in them, or they can do it. Everything, you can lose weight at 50 also. You can have the same stamina at 50 also. So yes, this is the most important thing. This is my success. If the people are getting inspired by this terminology, ki age is just a number. It's just, and in real sense, it's just a number. If you, it's all as I told you, it's a big hurdle. Your mindset is only a big hurdle. If you think you
Right.
can't do it, then you are never going to do it. So yes, success is for me is making learn people what I've learned from all these years.
Hmm.
So like I've met with the accident, severe accident.
Hmm.
I came out of it so healthy and happily, and
Hmm.
touch wood. And
Yes.
you know beating all those competitors at international level, where again I couldn't believe, जहाँ मैं एक बार देख के डरती थी कि मैं कैसे करूँगी, but I did it. My practice and my belief in my mentor, believe
Right.
in your. So this is what I want कि they should never give it up, और कुछ भी ऐसा है आपके अंदर तो you just grow, keep growing,
Keep moving forward.
and when people
Right.
will see you budding, blooming, they are going to support you definitely.
Right. And thank you for setting such an amazing and live example for all the things. Generally, we have a lot of things, but we do not have much examples to give. But you are one example of multiple different things. So thank you so much, and thank you everybody for being a part of this journey and being a part of this video. So I'll link the details of ma'am in the description below, her page and how you can get in touch with her. So anybody who want to get in touch with her, you can go and follow her around. So she'll be an amazing change in your life for sure. So thank
Yes,
you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much again.
thank you,
Bye.
Mega.
Take
Thanks
care.
for inviting me. Thank you, Mega. Okay, bye bye.